Hey, I'm Fabrizio, 26 years old. I'm an expat living in the Netherlands, and I recently became a father for the first time. I work as a software engineer for a bank here in the Netherlands, and as you may have seen, this was my first day after my paternity leave. Before coming here in the Netherlands, I used to live in Switzerland, and I had a great experience, but in terms of benefits for citizens, in this case for fathers, I think here in the Netherlands there are way better options. My paternity leave here was of 6 weeks and they were 100% paid, plus several other weeks that I can take up until the baby is, well, the kid is 12 years old, if I don't mistake. I think this is a real blessing. Because the reality is that we fathers were not carrying the baby, but the emotional load of adopting, getting to know with the new baby, supporting your partner, and building a family is quite a lot. To not even mention the sleepless nights, of course. So yeah, this paternity leave was a real blessing. In these videos I'm trying to share my journey as a new father, the reality of an expat living far from family. Sorry for the technical interruption. This is part of being a dad. I hope you're enjoying this video. I will be publishing more videos like this about fatherhood, lifestyle, traveling, and yeah, if you're interested, please subscribe, follow on Instagram and TikTok, and yeah, back to it.
Está todo listo, mi amor. There's a problem. There's no water left.